On January 21st, 2026, the Hawaii County Division of Property Management conducted a helicopter collection of LiDAR and orthomosaic imaging of Waiʻele, 156 acres of conservation heritage land in Halepua'a, Ahupua'a, along the Puna coastline. This project was conceived in 2023 by Hawaii Environmental Restoration, based on preliminary archaeological investigations which indicated a richness of anthropogenic morphology and cultural landscape. ASM affiliates and the U of H Spatial Data Analysis and Visualization Lab partnered with the county to conduct the survey using a state-of-the-art LiDAR unit, while Hawaii Environmental Restoration provided coordination through a Public Lands, Open Spaces, and Natural Resources Fund Stewardship Grant.
Hi, my name is Olivia. I work with the Spatial Data Analysis and Visualization Lab at the University of Hawaii at Hilo. And today we are setting up our base station and GPS equipment to survey ground control points for the helicopter flight that's happening on Wednesday. These points that we'll survey are super helpful for tying in the data we collect in the air, the imagery in the LiDAR, and making sure it's lined up with what's actually happening on the ground. Also, we're setting out these super nice LiDAR tarps and posts on the ground, so when the helicopter comes by, in the imagery we can see where these targets are. This is one of our forest tarps, and we picked an area that has super open canopy, so hopefully we have a really good chance of seeing it within the imagery in the LiDAR.
The imagery deliverables from this mission will undergo analysis and georeferencing by ASM affiliates to be published as an appendix to their forthcoming Archaeological Reconnaissance Survey. Meanwhile, GIS curator Kanoa Lindiwe will incorporate the LiDAR and photographic data into a digitized resource database. The database will unify geographical data from the recent vegetation analysis and botanical survey, natural resource assessment, various historic maps, and ongoing stewardship activities into one layered, searchable, web-based tool. This tool will be at the disposal of Waiʻele's Guidance Council, comprised of lineal descendants and community members, in their upcoming management planning process. The database will also serve as the foundation for STEM and location-based curriculum activities in partnership with local schools and future research projects.